each and everyone. My name is Dhawan Gopali. I am studying 4th standard. My school name is Vidyaratna International School, Shivaganga. My topic is water resources. All living things, animals, plants and human beings need water to survive. Water is used for various purposes such as drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, cleaning and irrigation. 70% of the water surface is covered with water, but we cannot use all of it. 97% of water on the earth is present in seas and oceans, and the sea is salty. Only 3% of water is fresh water available in rivers, lakes and ponds. And groundwater. Sources of water. The main sources of water are seas and oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds, rainwater, groundwater. Uses of water. We use water for agriculture, industrial uses, domestic purposes. Water is very important natural source of life, so we can save water. Thank you.